If this message found you, this message may be for you. Remember to take it as it resonates. Use your intuition and discernment and only take what resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? Let's take a look at our split today. We have the Page of Wands. Interesting. You guys may be learning something new that you may use as a new creative venture or a potential job. You guys are deciding what your next move should be. This could be in pertaining to your career or just in life in general. Spirit's telling you to just keep putting in that hard work. Okay, keep doing your part and they'll take care of the rest. Do everything you can do and don't settle. Well, once again, we have the Four of Cups here, which is you're unsatisfied with any emotional offers that are being presented to you at this time. So take a step back and really think about what it is you need or want. There is something new coming around the corner, something better. We have here, yeah, you guys are preparing for the worst, but let go of this negativity, this doubt, this fear, okay? Release the fear of the unknown is what I'm being told here. And then what card is this? Here we go. We have the Page of Cups. Yeah, so this may have to do with something to do with a child, okay? Don't mind the dragon in the background. Yeah, in the meantime, take every opportunity you can to just rest. Retreat, take a step back, like literally physically sleep. A lot of you guys are not getting enough sleep, not taking care of your bodies enough, okay? And maintain healthy boundaries. This is a key aspect to your sense of self-love and mental clarity, emotional stability, and things like that. Maintain healthy boundaries and standards, okay? Never bend or break for anyone. You know your worth. It's time you acted like it, okay? All right, so that was the collective for today. If it resonated with you, let me know in the comments down below. If it didn't, let it go. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.